In this video, we will show you how to bypass Microsoft account on Windows 11 installation. In here, you need to burn your ISO image using Rufus, and you need to download the newest versions. And in here, let's just download the portable version. Okay, you can get the Rufus link on description of this video, and we can run the Rufus, and we can select our ISO image. For example, in here Windows 11. Okay, then in here, before you click start or before you click OK, there is any option remove requirement for an online Microsoft account. Also, if you need the requirement for a secure boot NTPM, you can just check this. Okay, to just remove requirement for an online Microsoft account, we can just click OK and click OK in here. And after that, you can, using your USB on Windows 11, set up without requirement of Microsoft account in there. Hope this video helpful for you.